your friend said nonsense so one who said yeah hano social pressures and so
okay
we in a woo nyi na woo worry o enti ko no akofa bibia enya po sofa obi so ha we hu be ma no looks kakra e bi o height kakra ne ho ofe kakra enti on hwe suban na e be make the person who he really is no akorem obi so no obi keke na ahwe no wala so dim se be ma no ware na be ma be hwe me enti no akwa enti niema bebre wom na adwen be potin na wodi kwa ware ni
okay enkoma wa wo hwe me sabre e wo tuma GH so na video bi aba be come sa video no emu no eye ankasa ye nuaba eye Abena Moet ayaba ya chese Neat FM banu edwumaku sonko a chese dwumadi a wodi eye emu akotene pa eye nanso so ene de wodi nsim bi aba betu dwan nam so ma chese Ghana fodobro na kase na sese kura mpo aware kura na ye omema kwa akware a den no wo mo enhwe ni mu hu se nipa wei obetimi aboa me ewo eye ma wade me ne ma na nso so no ede na wo mu hu wo mema ho anu nto mo je penie se ai me ware na afo bekwa kwa ware awie wo se ya mi hu se enu nti aware no mi jai ede afiri mabusua ensem we de emu edo man ko hwe video no ma ye ba ya to aso.
So look, ladies, like I always say, you need respect in your relationship. That is why I'm getting a divorce. Like, I can't do this anymore. Like, if you hear it in the blogs tomorrow, please don't blame me. Like, this is too much. Like, I was just there this evening when my husband called me that he's coming back from town, so I should get ready. He's come to have sex with me. I was like, how dare you? Like, no respect, no decorum, nothing. Not like I'm going to take you, you're not going to lure me. You just want me to give you my vagina for free. Like, how dare you? Like, where is the respect? I miss the times when men used to treat women like ladies. It's not like the thing I won't do it, or the thing I will do. But like, how make her cry? Hey, how can you disrespect me like this? Why? But if he doesn't respect you, leave the marriage.
Yo na ebusuya said your mama de mani no masukoti nsem no eba ye eno no na enche ye bia eye zandi kama oba ye be keka ne de se ane ena chese ye wo wa ware animu no krampo na chese ye ma ya se kom de no aye ba ne se mpaso agudi ono akrampo efra game ya na chese game bi apaska ede amano na enam so ma ni kunu so be make some comment bi se aye wo se won ware obi a chese obu no ho no obu eye afofo even if say nipa no krampo no wo ne wo enko eye into good terms on certain things so krampo na e wo se wo bu no enshow na enne Abena Moet so de ne de beba so se an se be ma en respect one as what disrespect one leave the marriage ebusuya then na ekoso ye celebrities no and say ye public figures no wo mo abrabo mu and say wo mo worry ma na wo mo na expect nyoma high enu nti na masa nyoma no ekoso na Bembruce e wa ha no ma ye ne no ebedo ensenuma suko eja me ma kwa bibi aboko yeda Kristo ase video ya ekohwe ye ebinu hu ne se eya agro bi na ye nuaba no edie eye nsem bi na wo ka ede agigi nani nanso so ye nhwe eye in a side se wo kan eya agro mpo na wo de eka asa ensem no kwampo na wo bi wo ho no mu a wo page so wo tie o wo fa eya titi bi mu ana se be ma wo ne tie wo mu no wo betu se wo kan ye no ebi onu de wo hu ne the aspect se eya agro na wo di no so take eye wo futu a wo de ma ye se bema emuwu afri eye aware no ase na enu no yebesi yehunu se eye enuma ya na ema de hye wo motimo mo expectation mo hwehwe di free mema no won na ya na ebro so enu ti mo kokoware bia na o manu wo mo ana se aya no wo mo adwen se bema no metimi asesa no enu ti na fe enkoyi a na wo mo enu eye wo mo ehu.
My friends, make sure what for. You see, marriage no Okoma I say we tone down your expectations.
Okay.
The be me say say feel when you are going in, but shut your eyes when you are in.
Okay.
Yenti am say feel when you say feel when you want be a woman, me man say meet me na tina.
Okay.
You see, when it comes to sex is about 80% of the marriage. Say sex no more compatible energy a friend energy empo.
Okay.
And not na be hwe obi sika nipa ba na ne yere wa mas mo boy bi adwudwam. Why I say because sex no enko yi.
Okay.
And na your friend say nonsense so e won who say ye ha no social pressures and so ka ho.
Okay.
We na wo nyi o na wo worry o. Enti ko no akofa bibia enya po sofa. Obi so ho a when who Bema no looks kakra, ebi or heights kakra, the more of a kakra, into all share subaina ebe making the person who he really is no akorem. Obi so on ma obi keke na ahwe no. What I saw him say Bema no worry na Bema be hwe me. Into akwa nti niema bebre wom na adwen be important na wo dey kwa ware ni. Se adwen se mehu Bema odo kan na me do no. Ye kobobra na yesu started the next generation. Na almost what why so ye ni wa. Eno de na project. But say bia bibi ebia ka bi owo ebia oba bia ne to so ana Bema bia ne ho fede a. Eno na actually na yenya problem say.
Na ye pese ye hu den na ema enkane aware etimi eche na enne na mafo ware no entimi enche because enkane ne nkenim say wo ba no krampo no wonye adwuma enso still Bema no etimi enya bibi kakra eya enwoma etimi tuto ye no wo ma ben ne de ye a oba ye adwuma Bema ye adwuma enso so enu no mo ngina angata manka oba nya adwuma Bema ye adwuma no nkenim say nka no mpo de Bema no beka say oh ma bre de bia na mhwe fi ntie na menye de menye bi ma ware no meja ba enu no mpo no etimi gina eche emo mutimi tina wo na tete wo mtaba enne na ye hu ni say ni bia ba a wo ba so wonye bibi mfa mo ne kunu say Bible so ye ne so boafo no emwanu mu no krampo no awareja ye no ya do so ti den na ma enka na ware na ejina na enne entimi ye de yintimi nyina na yintimi hu ha wo ye betimi atoto ye nyoma eyi
Who said what make you very very laudable suggestion. But you see, first of all, our humanity no Bema niti.
Yeah.
93 na ko kan Beijing no. What kind Beijing conference? Oh, can say what man can do, man can do.
Yeah.
People find negatively. When we talk about what man can do, what men can do, at that time, not the way that you look down on a man, not too much. We just wanted to bring them up. But a man also be fan and say, any warrior be a Bema bit me and must meet me.
Okay.
But Sebi ye war society must Sebi. Oba worry Bema. No matter how rich you are, who person Bema worry, or dear for can remember Bema, no for worry. But who to me, one will be a castle or Bema or Bannon or Zawai Bema or Canada. It won't happen. It's first of all, no, fundamentally, no, respect necessary the man Bema. And you will be what I say.
And Bema don't quite hear respect. And a man
no, you see, Bible say or can say me or say women do what? Submit. And then men should what? Love. Good. Yet a Bible nikasan. Where there's no submission, love won't come. Say who brown was it? Na Bema no. Ewuswa brown was odo. Odo wa men are like babies. Oba onim how to control a Bema. Ubefo say when you drew. Onim how to submit to the man. And then go submit to you on how to play with you. Women are very smart. But women don't know how to handle the whole thing. Well, because Sebe, me fear Jumaba, my bread. What I said? Who come to say what that would be? Your friend is saying, Nukunu or fear Jumaba, and they said, Kokichi or not confess you. Do so by an so a no kitchen. And yes, Anna, one emit. Oh, yes, Apa, Mills, Epia, I say, what's that? What I say? Yeah, sure, be as I am fancy. It's your Obama now, one in it. Or you're different from whoever you saw. What I said? And as I said, social media, you know, a man are aware of themselves. Can you hear my minimum person normally say about me? But I said, now they didn't know anything about it. And I said, but and then you will be a friend like it. Bema didn't know where Bob I say, kiss and say, common. What's that things that were not common to say they are common? It's a man who say, sad and head. Eti wono wo ba na wonti menya de na nya ne da afomo so wo na e so de ma no na no kra ni eti ni ye mienu nyina no se say na e say ye prepare e memma no se say no e say ye niam yie empem agro no ma ni ntimi oba no eti mi na obebu simple
na according to any abay the statement awodi to dwa wo ka say ane wo ye ono ne dia ne sanka at least oba himfi ho no ye kokrokro ne kakra enyese ya ne meba na eno anu no wabiemu e de amaw eba no se emema binum wo ho no ma sex wone ne yire ne te etu onim se oba na eye ne yire when you want to know why anytime, any moment to be our pet. But we could a girlfriend now. When you have a walk or no, because when you say when you are a girlfriend, or bet me the Akajan is on to me, be a giant and no more. Then the ma a young suit animal by a change towards a young urinum and a young girlfriend. And then a year, dear Davon Muntino, Muntimi entry to more urinum said, you're more treaty a young side checks.
A familiarity. You know what I check? A member was Subai at the Quansem Subai. You see, a man is a man. You are not supposed to give your book be.
Okay.
Or say, let the tears of your wife be of joy.
Okay.
But not of pain.
Okay.
What did I make her say? Sebe, romance, it play very vital role. They be I say, only time and yes sex.
Okay.
Say be a cow 20 minutes, we'll see where they are bonnet. Or bad or enjoy.
Okay.
Take your time. Or yeah, we hear cranting and so we hear. Well, girlfriends, they're baby radio. But when you be, men a bit more and you say, oh, baby, but say, lick here, the lick was meanwhile, only can the two and the girlfriend too. The two, and the baby. Meanwhile, girlfriend, I will lick in it to you. Remember, be brain it is your corner. Meanwhile, one more papa, thank you. Meanwhile, when you're not or no corner, what's what's the answer? Me, what I said, it's from the basic way, no, Oba Yame bomb say young cockroach.
Okay.
I feel one, said one cockroach or banacra, and so I feel an issue.
Okay. And
so I open the Jetiania. Because until there be a force bibina with their rabbit. And that is how most men are. Take your time, romance the woman, let her feel good. Or no crack just a fashion, what's a turbo? Because you have all the time.
Okay.
Make your wife happy. Hey, the Biama say, Oba, wouldn't it done any Nigia? I did share. Okay, say breakfast on one or seven breakfast. But Sabi, we ain't trasa, what the house, Anna, I didn't win when you I didn't get a deck. Also, Pia, oh, Brano. Oh, that is what most men are doing.
Okay.
Me, where from this way, no. But Sabi, when you read there, your wife is like your baby.
Okay.
And so to be crying, what to me, a man or feeling good. Why I said, now, what say now, you then about them, and I said, or be sorry, you didn't want what in a night to another two, as if said, or then they
what we are,
you understand?
What a chill would dream, and one.
It doesn't make sense. Since Obana Casano, what did they done? Any JBN.
Any GBA in him. Yet the uncommon no eba a yen. Our real year respect in him. Would you advise a year themselves one more and separate? And I said there are other things that they can do to make a year the marriage work. Now you find common in here in the sun.
So respect no, if you back one at the back no or acknowledge you say I have a respect problem, it can be solved.
Okay.
But say respect ni Emma na onu who say unrespected wa massa walk out.
Sure. And one year for 2 more.
Sure.
I was here said there director Ben Bruce Eden and some no atu ejano and no one so on any aging and as a winning in aging. Why don't you know? Fabra ever to your comment section, like your videos, not share on all the social media platforms, so media and a clear sikapa macram.